Introducing the most anticipated Samsung laptop of the year, Samsung Galaxy Book 3, winner of the Best Overall Samsung Laptop title for 2023. This premium laptop is a masterpiece from Samsung manufacturer that's been known for centuries for its commitment to excellence, innovation, and precision. Samsung Galaxy Book 3 is a beautiful device that boasts a slim, elegant design and a powerful hardware that's capable of handling even the most demanding tasks. Its 15.6-inch OLED screen is a delight, offering crisp, clear images and rich color that pop out from the screen. This sleek graphic finish is a solid aluminum case and gives the laptop a clean and modern look. While providing ultimate protection, the laptop features interoperability with the Samsung phones and tablets, making it perfect design for those who live in the Samsung ecosystem. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 has a 15.6-inch AMOLED display, dynamic AMOLED 2X branding, 3K resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, and 120Hz refresh rate. Its hardware comprises a 16th Gen Intel Core i7 CPU, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and an NVIDIA's Gen 4 RTX 4050 GPU. The components make it ideal for gaming, video editing, and other creative projects. This laptop is a game changer. It delivers unparalleled performance, making it ideal for demanding productivity tasks. In its gaming, it can be comfortably handle over 25 tabs in Chrome before slowing down, providing uninterrupted productivity. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 offers excellent value for money, with a laptop capable of running resource-hungry software. Thanks to its robust hardware configuration, the laptop blends Samsung Dynamic AMOLED 2X display technology with offers a magnificent display quality with 400 nits brightness and 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything appear stunningly realistic. Be it online movies, games, or other types of media, you can quickly immerse yourself in your work while enjoying visual pleasure like never before. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price. Quality ratio, you wanted the best and you got it. So, that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.